Once you have blended your ingredients, put the mixture into a freezer-safe container, as I demonstrated, preferably with a tight seal, and the ice cream will be ready in about 5 to 6 hours. But for the best creamy texture, stir it every 30 minutes for the first few hours. This will help prevent ice crystals from forming. If you freeze it overnight, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before scooping. Enjoy your homemade avocado ice cream. This avocado ice cream serves 4 and comes in at just under 300 calories per serving with low-fat dairy. Want a vegan twist? Swap honey for maple syrup and use coconut cream and coconut milk instead of yogurt and milk. For a keto version, use a full-fat dairy and monk fruit sweetener or any keto-friendly sweetener. This avocado ice cream is easy, customizable, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this avocado creation, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and nutritious recipes, and stay tuned for the next video as I'm bringing you another Mediterranean dish that you won't want to miss. I also invite you to check out my other videos, and thanks so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next episode. Until then, stay healthy and take care.